Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to make a simple clicking game in Python. So it's like you click it and like you click the click me button and it like adds one number. So like I sometimes like to do this in real life. So like I just grab a calculator, add 1 plus 1 and just like keep pressing equal sign so it like keeps adding one at the same time. So it feels good if you're like bored or like just want to do a basic game or like something like that, I would recommend this to you. So let's get started. Okay, so now we'll start with import tkinter as tk. We'll skip line 2 and type window equals tk dot tk. Now we'll space and type window dot title clicking game. You guys can put the in this variable box in this brackets, you can put anything you want. Just don't remove the quotation marks I've set. So now we'll do window dot geometry 300 times 200. So we're setting the size of the board. Cookie. Now we'll do cookie underscore count equals 0. Now we'll do def flick. Sorry about that. Let me fix that. Okay. Now let me do def cookie click underscore cookie. And now we'll put the brackets and put a colon. Now we'll do global cookie count. And just put that cookie count. We'll put this. Now we'll do plus equals 1. Now we'll do label dot config. And then I'll do brackets type text equals, and then we'll do we'll do a F string, we'll do F string and type cookies, colon, 0. And then we'll do comma, font equals, you guys can set this to any font like you want, like the fonts that exist on your computer. So I'll do Calibri. We have to put quotes around this or else it won't work. Now we'll put a comma and maybe I'll set it to 24. You guys can change this number if you want, or you can change the font. Now we'll skip this line and go down to line 14. Now we'll do label equals tk.label window and then we'll do, wait, Wait, so let me do label equals TK label. Sorry about that, I got like mixed up for a second. And then we'll do window text equals this. I'm sorry guys, I like mixed this up the text area. I'll put this instead. I'll accidentally put that, so now I'll do text equals f string cookies, and I'll put a colon, and I'll go here and do the curly brackets, cookie underscore count, and there. Now I'll do label.tk label. We did this. And then window and then text equals, I'll remove this f string here and we'll go down. Now we'll do label dot pack and then we'll type patty equals 20. And now we'll do button equals tk dot button, and then we'll do window text equals click me. Now we'll put a comma, command equals click underscore cookie. It already has it here. Now we'll do button dot pack. We'll do button dot pack. And then we'll do patty equals 20. Now we'll go here. We'll skip this line, and for the last one we'll do window dot main loop. Now let's run the code. I'm sorry for line 10. Let me fix this part. For the global cookie count, I need to put an underscore here. I'm sorry guys. Now let's run the code again. Okay, so we have started the cookies equals 0, and let's click the click me. This is a fun game. So if you guys have like auto clicker on your device, you can just like have fun with your auto clicker as well. I set like a auto clicker command here, so let me show you guys. So if you guys really like to use your auto clicker, you can also use it because it can click really fast. Unlike my clicking, like the auto clicker will click really fast. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's code. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you found this video useful and like the video. Please share this video with your friends and tell them about this video so they can also enjoy more coding and videos about education. Thank you for watching this video again. Until the next time, have a great time. Bye.